Hi students, it's EK Academy. Welcome once again. So the question we have here is similarity question. And from this question, we were given two similar rectangles have area of 80 centimeter square and 60 centimeter square. So we are having actually two rectangles. We are going to create some rectangle there, the first one, and the second one is coming. So this is the second one. So they are similar rectangle. The first one has area of 80 centimeter square. So the area here is 80 centimeter square. The other one is 60 centimeter square. The length of the smaller rectangle is 12 centimeter. So the length here, L2, call it L2, is 12 centimeter. What is the length of larger rectangle? The length of larger rectangle, call it L1. So as long as these two triangles are similar, the ratio of area, and here let's say A1, A2, taking A1 over A2 is the same as taking L1 over L2 square, dear students. And for our case now, here we have A1, which is 80, divided by A2, which is 60, equals to L1 over 12 square. So you have now 4 over 3 equals to L1 square over 144. From this aspect, you have L1 square equals to 144 multiplied by 4 divided by 3. L1 square, dear students, will be equal to, you simplify by 3. By 3 here will be 1, by 3 here will be 4, 8. So you have L1 equals to 48 times 4. So from L1 square equals to 48 times 4, I can say this is 16 times, it's okay. We are going to actually find the square root directly because the calculators are allowed, of course, so you just plug in the calculator. L1 is square root of 48 times 4, and so the square root of 48 times 4, 48 times 4, you get 192. So you take a square root of 192, dear students, it will be centimeter. So finding the square root of 192, we get 13.86. So we can say L1 is 13.86 centimeter. So the length of larger rectangle, dear students, is 13.86. Thank you, and that is the solution for question number 5, the question of similarity theorem. We used the similarities concept. Thank you.